हेलो एंड वेलकम, यू वाचिंग सनराइज टीवी। आपकी प्रेजेंटर सरिता सबरवाल आपके घर पहुंच चुकी है। जी हाँ, अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ आपकी किचन प्रोग्राम जिसे आप बेहद पसंद करते हैं। आप सभी डिशेस ट्राई कर रहे हैं, हमें लिख कर भेज भी रहे हैं कि आपने ये डिशेस ट्राई की और बहुत अच्छी बनी। तो थैंकफुल है हम उन सभी होस्ट का जिन्होंने ये सब चीज़ें हमें सिखाई, और आप सबका भी जो बड़े चाव से, बड़े शौक से इस प्रोग्राम को देखते हैं और इंजॉय करते हैं। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं आपके घर में आऊं तो फिर छोटा सा काम करना है आपने, और ये बताना है आप कहाँ रहते हैं, क्या बनाते हैं, कौन सी चीज़ आपकी बहुत अच्छी बनती है। आपके परिवार के सभी मेंबर्स और आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में सभी कहते हैं कि आप ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छी बनाते हैं। मतलब कि कोई भी आपकी स्पेशलिटी हो तो मुझे बता सकते हैं आप। सो छोटा सा काम करना है आपने, बस मुझे लिख कर भेजना है कि मैं आ जाऊँ आपके घर में। अपनी स्पेशलिटी के बारे में बताएंगे आप हमें, क्या चीज़ बहुत अच्छी बनाते हैं, और मैं वादा करती हूँ अपने कैमरा क्रू के साथ आपके घर ज़रूर पहुँचूँगी। एड्रेस लिखने के लिए एंड फ़ोन नंबर लिखने के लिए आप तैयार रहिएगा। प्रोग्राम के दौरान हम आपको नंबर ज़रूर देंगे। अब मैं इस वक्त किसी की किचन में नहीं हूँ, लेकिन इस वक्त उनके डाइनिंग रूम में ज़रूर हूँ, क्योंकि आज कुकिंग में कुकिंग हमने करनी नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत सी दूसरी चीज़ें सीखनी हैं जिनमें कुकिंग इन्वॉल्व नहीं है। तो क्या सिखाने वाली हैं आज वही सेजल जिनके किचन में हम पिछले हफ्ते थे। तो आइए उनसे आपकी मुलाकात करा दो। सो हाउ आर यू?
Fine. Are you okay?
नाइस टू सी यू अगेन।
And you?
सो हमें बहुत से साथियों ने कहा कि बहुत अच्छी तरह से बनाया सेजल ने चिली पनीर पिज़्ज़ा, और बटर बीन्स के साथ मेथी। मैंने खुद ट्राई भी कर ली।
Oh, that's good.
बहुत अच्छी बनी थी और सबको पसंद भी आई थी।
Oh, good.
आपने ट्राई की? नहीं बताया, अभी तक मुझे नहीं बताया, तो आप ईमेल कर सकते हैं sarita@sunrisetv.tv के एड्रेस पर, और बताइए कि जो डिशेस लास्ट वीक सेजल ने सिखाई थी आपने ट्राई की तो कैसी बनी। अब आज क्या करने वाले हैं?
Okay.
Because you said we are not in the kitchen today.
No, today's a break day.
Okay.
We're going to enjoy the summer, so we're going to make some lovely 3 mocktails with some fruit.
Right.
And we're going to have some 3 beautiful salads, very refreshing salads, very good for you.
Good. So पहले हम
Right,
mocktail
so
बनाने वाले
we're going to make
हैं
a mocktail, yeah.
Mocktail.
So if we start with the Apple Delight. This is a very unusual one actually, because it's got some ginger and it has a herb called thyme, lemon thyme,
Right, okay.
which is this herb here. You can get it in any supermarket, that's fine. And we're using gala apples with the skin, 1 inch ginger stick, half a lime juice, just some lime wedges to decorate, and lemonade.
Okay.
So what I've done, I've already prepared this. In a blender, I've just put in the apple, ginger and the thyme, and I've basically just, with the lime, and I've blended it very well and sieved it.
Okay.
So once you sieve it, you get this sort of consistency here,
Okay.
like this. It's very pungent. So you need to mix it now with some lemonade. And you put some ice inside there.
Right.
It's very, very refreshing. And you really can't taste the ginger, because some people find ginger quite strong. So you can just get a back taste, and the lemon thyme brings out a really different flavor. So we have here Apple Delight, as I've called it, which is decorative. We put this in
With the
there.
straw.
Yeah.
That's the easiest thing.
And there we are. That's a lovely, refreshing
Wow,
Apple Delight there for you.
आपने 1 gala apple लिया,
That's right.
and just this is to decorate.
Yeah, that's just to decorate.
Just
yeah.
to decorate.
That's right.
And lemon thyme, just a little bit of lemon thyme. Just this much, or
You can, yeah, this much is enough.
This
About
much.
2 teaspoons of lemon thyme is enough.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. And just this much of ginger, fresh ginger.
Yeah.
आप
That's right.
छोटा सा 1 इंच, 1 इंच के तकरीबन, उसे आप अच्छी तरह से छील लीजिएगा, पील कर लें.
Yeah.
And just this much of about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice.
Lime juice.
Lime juice.
Yeah.
Lime juice.
It's about half a lime in there.
Half.
The juice of half a lime.
Okay. So इन्हें आपने blender में डालना
Yeah.
है
With
with
it all
skin.
in the-
Apple
yeah.
should be with skin.
Yeah.
And blender में अच्छी तरह से, या smoothie maker में.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
If you do it in smoothie maker, then you don't have to sieve it.
No,
Yeah?
you don't.
Then,
No. Yeah.
अगर
Because you
blender
don't
में-
want the bits to come in with the thyme and
Thyme.
ginger. It should be just a background taste.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So sieve it, and then just put Lemonade.
Lemonade, that's
Lemonade.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
And you can put some few pieces of apples in there if you want to as well. So you can eat it at the end. That's quite tasty. Yeah.
And in summer it's really good,
It's
especially when you're
lovely.
having barbecue.
Exactly,
and all
yeah,
that.
that's
So-
it. And you know, children love it as well. And you
Yeah.
can put, you know, it's fresh fruit, so you know, you can do one a day of fruit in there.
Really nice. Ginger का भी taste आ रहा है.
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
very punchy.
That's it.
Very nice.
It's very refreshing on a summer's day.
Very nice. आप भी ज़रूर बनाइए. बहुत easy है.
Very
And अगर आप alcohol लेते हैं साथ में,
Yeah,
then
that's
what
right.
they can add in this?
You can put some rum in there or some
White
vodka
rum.
or whatever.
Whatever.
You know, people have different preferences, so
Mhm.
anything really you can add with there.
Malibu
Yeah,
and
yeah,
chili.
Malibu. Yeah, yeah. Anything.
Very nice. Very refreshing.
Right, so we have 6 strawberries here. So we just put that in the blender. This will make two medium-sized cups. Half lime juice goes in there as well. Some mint, probably about a tablespoon of mint, I would say.
Or about 15-20 leaves.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's quite a minty flavour actually, so it's quite nice. And now this is grenadine syrup. It's a pomegranate syrup.
Yeah.
You put 3 tablespoons of that in there. That will give it a lovely sweetness and a lovely rich red colour.
Right.
Okay, and then you just take a little bit of water, probably about a 1/4 cup of water. It's about that's fine. And mix it. You don't need to put anything in here. It's because the strawberries are in there, the mint is in there. No, you don't need to add any more juice in there.
Right, okay.
So what we do now is we just put some ice at the bottom of your cocktail glass and simply just pour this juice in there. If you find the consistency is a bit thick, you just add a little bit more water.
Right, okay. Otherwise you have ice in it.
That's it, yeah, and the ice will melt it, and you just decorate with a few sprigs of mint inside. There we go. Again, you have your straw, and you have your lovely decoration. Okay, so this is strawberry surprise.
Very nice.
And,
It looks really good. Yeah. Really,
You can decorate it however you want to. Again, you know, I've just created this sort of a look, but you can put strawberries or, you know, anything really.
anything.
You can just
Piece of-
experiment. Yeah.
Okay, so let me just remember and tell my viewers as well.
Sure.
क्या डाला है आपने? 6 strawberries.
6 strawberries, yeah. For 2
half a
cups.
lemon, half a lime juice.
That's right, yeah.
And you had pomegranate syrup.
Yeah.
About 4 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons.
Yeah, it's quite sweet, so you don't want to make it
tablespoons.
too sweet, yeah.
Okay. And about 15 to 20 leaves of mint.
Fresh mint, yeah.
Fresh mint. And just put it in the blender and half a cup of water.
About 1/4 cup of water. Depending. If it's a bit thick, then just add a little bit more.
Fine. So 1/4 cup of water.
That's right, yeah.
And then just blend it and then serve it in a cocktail glass. Just थोड़ा सा बीच में ice डाला है and mint leaves and just decorate it. She's got very nice decoration, but if you don't have it, then you can just put a piece of strawberry.
Yeah,
or
that's
any,
right.
anything
Yeah,
on top.
yeah.
So I have to try this as well.
Yeah. Again, you can put alcohol if you want to, you know.
Nice.
So-
It's different.
Yeah. You can
Very
taste
nice,
the mint
yeah,
in there.
mint in
It's
this.
very nice,
Very
very
nice.
refreshing.
So what sort of alcohol we can put in?
Again, rum, you know, rum is a very good bet because it goes with a lot of cocktails. Say if you're abroad, you know, people abroad use a lot of rum in their fruity cocktails, so that goes very well.
बहुत अच्छा बना है, आप भी ज़रूर बनाइएगा और इजी है अगर एकदम कोई घर में आ गया है जैसे कि आजकल समर टाइम है एंड बारबेक्यूज बहुत करते हैं सभी और ऐसी कूल ड्रिंक्स अच्छी लगती हैं
That's it.
and lots of fruit in the market as well, so why not, why use it. So आपने देखा कि एप्पल डिलाइट कैसे बनाया एंड स्ट्रॉबेरी सरप्राइज विद मिंट बहुत अच्छा बना है. स्टे ट्यून्ड, अभी लौटते हैं हम छोटी सी ब्रेक के बाद.